MidJourney is amazing, but after you see this update from Leonardo.ai, I think you're gonna forget MidJourney. Leonardo.ai is a free alternative to MidJourney. You can use this tool to generate amazing art and images just like MidJourney, and it's absolutely free. So what's the latest update from Leonardo.ai? It's right here. Look at this. You can download this tool, MidJourney free alternative, on your iPhone and use it so you can generate amazing art from your phone. And I'm gonna show you everything here today. So here's my phone. Let me make sure you can see it properly. And by the way, before we jump into the demo, make sure you like and share this video so more people can see this. All right, so here's what you're gonna do. Step number one, you are gonna go to your Apple App Store and then search for Leonardo AI. So Leonardo AI, it's right here on the top, and then it's gonna pop up. Here is the brand new app, only 65 reviews, but it just launched either today or maybe yesterday, but I saw it today. You can go through these and then download. It's absolutely free. I already downloaded, so I'm gonna show you. It's on my home page. And by the way, you know what's cool? Once I open the app, it syncs up with my sign in to use the same account that you have online. So for example, let me log into my online account on the desktop for Leonardo, and then I'm signed into the same account on my phone. So I can see here's the same account, and if I bring it here, I am logged. That's one thing you have to do. Make sure you sign into the same, use the same email, username, password. Now let me show you how to use this tool. You might not be able to see it, so let me, there you go. Now it's much better. Now you can focus or clearly see my iPhone screen. So on the home feed, you can see different models on the top for generation, and you can also see different creation. These are the art or images created by other people. Look at the quality of these images. So for example, right here, if you scroll down, you can see which this image was created by which model, which user. You can follow that user if you want. Also, if you want to know, here's the model used. It's a Dream Shaper version 7. You can remix this image, which means you can use this image as a prompt and then generate more images. The Leonardo AI, you can generate images from text and also from images. There are two different ways. Now, if you click on this arrow, here is the prompt. Here's the exact prompt that was used to generate this image right here. So not only you can see generations from other people, you can also see the prompt that they use. And wow, they use some really big negative prompt. So anything that you want to make sure is not included in your image, you can include that as well. And also there are other options that they selected. Now let me go back. And now at the bottom, look at the profile. If you click on the profile, it's going to show you all the generations like that you have done. So these are the images that I have generated in the past. And the other tab right here at the bottom is the model. These are the different models that you can use. Photoreal is very popular. 3D animation style is another one. If you go inside Photoreal, you can look at the more detail and some examples. Now let me go back. And now if you want to generate a brand new image, click on Generate tab at the bottom, and then this is where you can generate image. So let's come up with a prompt. I'm gonna cat with pink glasses. I don't want to use that, so I'm gonna say wolf with blue glasses, right? That's my prompt. If you want to add anything to the negative prompt, you can do it. For now, I'm not gonna use it. Featured model, so this is where you can select different models. So Photoreal, you can go through this. Dream Shaper, I'm going to do that. You can select the style, and then you can go through some of these other public images, and then how many images do you want to generate. So it says 2. You can go all the way up. Look at the bottom. I can go 4, or I can go 2, 1. So let's keep it to 2, and then you can go and check other settings as well if you want to change them. And when you're done, click on generate images at the bottom. So I'm going to click on generate images, and then boom, look at this. It's coming, it's happening. It's actually pretty fast. And boom, look at this. My image is wolf with the blue glasses. That's my number 1, and that's my number 2. How cool is that? And look at the quality of this generation. And here are my other recent generations that I've done. Now, what's really cool about Leonardo AI, I hope MidJourney, they launch their iPhone app soon or soonish, because being able to create images on the go is awesome. Now, what I generated inside my mobile app, it's also synced with my online account. So it syncs up everything from the mobile phone. It syncs up with your desktop. So if I go inside my account and let me see, I need to go to the personal feed, and here you go. I can see the images that I just generated and all the prompt that I used. If I had used any negative prompt, I would see that. I can see all the resolution, all the other details about the generation. And then obviously I can download this and use it to, on my social media or other places. I can also click on share, and then it will share the link of this image. So if I share this link to someone, let me open that link in a separate tab. This is what the link is gonna be, and they will be able to see my generation, my art, the thing that I generated with Leonardo AI. So this is the Leonardo AI awesome move by them by creating this mobile app, which is absolutely free. Go download this. Now make sure the account that you use for the desktop and the mobile, it needs to be the exact same account. If you have any questions, let me know. Before you go, like and share this video so more people can see this. And now I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.